Good morning, everybody. Happy Vlogmas Day 2. You know what time it is. Roll the intro.
Love yourself. A merry little Christmas night.
You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. You really are.
I'm extremely tired this morning. I stayed up till 4 in the morning so I could try to fix my laptop so I could get a vlog up. And then my laptop died when I was in the middle of editing, so I just shut it and I was like, I'm gonna fix it in the morning. So I'm gonna try to get a vlog up now for day 1 because it's Vlogmas. I'm so tired already. And then it's gonna be a really shitty vlog, so hopefully today will be better. After I get this vlog up, I'm going to make some breakfast and I'm just gonna take you along on my day. I do work tonight, but I only work from 1:30 to 9, which well, 1:30 to 9:30 actually, just because I have to close and stuff. But it should be a good day. This is, oh, I hear myself talking. Maybe it didn't die or delete. Oh, it's playing over and over again. It didn't delete. It didn't delete. Yes. Yes. Okay. I forgot what I was saying because I got distracted. Okay, I'm going to edit this one, not this one, and I'll see you later. So it's about 10 to 10 this morning, and I am cooking some breakfast. Got some turkey bacon. Let's ignore all the dishes that I have to do. I'm a high-functioning adult. One thing that's super cool right now, we're under a winter storm warning, and look outside. I love snow, guys. Look at all that snow. It's snowing right now. I am obsessed. Oh my gosh. My little car right down there is just covered in snow. Tell me this isn't the most Christmassy feeling ever. I'm so here for this. So as you guys now know, yesterday's footage, most of it was deleted if you've seen yesterday's vlog, which means you didn't get to see me open my calendar. So I have to remember today. Yesterday was day 1. It was in this little thing. It was a train. Kind of bummed that that was deleted because I even got it to focus on the chocolate for the first time ever. Okay, where's number 2? Hello. There it is. It's right here. And then I even had a whole full discussion of, do you close the doors? Do you leave them open? I close mine. And look, it's a little wreath. And I bet you it won't focus for me today. Wow, who guessed that right? Definitely me. Focus. Come on. This is a struggle every year. Okay, you can kind of see. It's a wreath. You know? You know? Also, the peppermint mocha cream is back and it is my favorite, so that's what we'll be using today. So there's my breakfast. 2 eggs. When you cut them open, they're a little bit runny. Some turkey bacon, and I put ketchup. Generally, this is my little area. I'll put sriracha, hot sauce, or ketchup. But today I just went with ketchup because it sounded good. I don't know. I look super tired. Wow. Okay, so I have to shower because I work at 1:30 and it's almost 11. But one thing that I want to do is clean my apartment. So I think I'm going to shower, let my hair air dry while I clean my apartment. But it's really bad, guys. You saw the kitchen. I'm not even going to show you the living room. My bedroom's even worse because there's just clothes everywhere. And then my office also has clothes in it. So I really just got to get that cleaned up. And yeah, so let's shower first, then clean, then go to work. Sounds like a plan. Alright, so I just showered. My hair's still wet. I've really been working on getting my curly hair care routine down. And I found a lot of leave-in conditioners that seem to work for me. But letting it air dry seems to get it the least frizzy, so I'm not going to diffuse it today. I'm just going to let it be. Unless it gets close to work and it's still wet, because that's possible too. But it is 11:30. I don't know if I even said that. I have about an hour to clean, so I'm going to go clean. And instead of showing you my mess, I'm just going to show you it when it's clean. Because I don't want to show you my mess. It's bad. You saw the dishes. Probably still not going to do the dishes. I'll do this tonight. But I want to get my room done first. And my office. So I just finished cleaning my room. I left my bed unmade, but that's whatever. I moved out of my office and then I saw this table in my office. And I was like, if I move my fish, I can set my tree on my table so it looks a little less stinky in the corner. So I'll show you what it looks like now. I think it looks a lot better. Look it. It doesn't look as small, and then like you don't really look down there that much because it blocks the couch. So that looks pretty good. Okay, so I just finished cleaning my bedroom and my office. I will show you them now. I found some more Christmas lights when I was cleaning my office, so I hung those there. And I know they don't match, but I just love Christmas lights, so it doesn't matter. Okay, so here is my office. I don't know if you guys have seen this before, actually. Maybe. But there's my desk, there's all my filming equipment. I do have lights in my closet in my bedroom, though. And then I do keep a lot of my clothes in here just because this is the bigger room. But I wanted room to film with whatever, and then there's some fun projects coming, like really fun projects that I'm really excited about that my friends and I are working on. And then here is my bedroom. There's a basketball hoop there. I was really bored one day, and so I bought a basketball hoop. Totally worth it, I know. Okay, so I'll show you. It's a little bit dirty still, but like a lot better. I wish it was so bad. So here's my bed. I never make my bed. This is a scarf that I'm gonna be wearing later. Oh, it's out of focus. Come on, get into focus. What are we doing? Okay. So yeah, I'm wearing that later, and then pajamas and stuff. And I just don't like to make my bed. Everyone has the chair, but other than that, like, you can see the floor again. And then, yeah. The only things that I have left, I have to scrub my bathtub, I have to do all my dishes, and then this is kind of a mess because I moved a bunch of stuff. But, yeah. I freaking love these lights. Look at these. Look how cute this is. I'm never gonna want to take any of these down. I love Christmas. Alright guys, I'm gonna go to work, so I will see you at 9 o'clock when I get back home. Good morning guys. It is actually the end of the vlog. I forgot to end it last night. I got home about like 10 o'clock last night. And I was so tired I just like went to bed right away. But about 4 this morning I woke up. And this might be TMI, but I have the stomach flu. So, I can't even fall back asleep. It's like 7:30. I've literally been awake since 4. Not feeling great. So hopefully tomorrow's vlog will be interesting. But I will see you guys with Vlogmas Day 3. Bye.
Love yourself.